Hello DigiMiners. Want to move money from exchange? Here is how you deposit in DigiMiner. Begin with opening up your dashboard by logging in. Tap the menu button and select a deposit. It will display all available currency methods. Let's assume you want to acquire USDT. To do that, simply tap on the AirWire icon. It will take you to the AirWire page. Tap the menu button and connect your wallet. Then select Deposit. For the Tron address, you need to go to the Tron app to copy your address. After copying address, pasting it here, enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Then tap a Generate Memo. Next, you need to copy our Tron address and go to your Tron app wallet. Tap the Send icon, tap Send button again and paste your copied Tron address here. Then tap Next. Enter the same USDT amount, and don't forget to add the memo. Copy the memo from AirWire and paste it in the Add Notes section. Tap Send. After reviewing the details, tap Confirm, enter your password, and then tap Confirm again to proceed with your transaction. Now, go to View Transaction, copy the transaction hash, and paste it in AirWire. Tap Verify, and wait while it's being verified. Once it's verified, tap Mint. And it's done. You have received USDT successfully. Now, you can even get Ethereum from your USDT. Tap ATM, enter the USDT amount, and it will show you how much Ethereum you'll get. Tap Submit. Your USDT has been converted into Ethereum. Finally, go to DigiMiner Deposit, enter the amount. Select Ethereum. Tap Proceed. Your deposit has been completed. If you need any further assistance, contact us at support@digiminer.co.